Willem van de Velde the Younger was born December 18, 1633, baptized, died April 6, 1707, was a Dutch marine painter, the son of Willem van de Velde the Elder, who also specialized in maritime art. His brother, Adriaen van de Velde, was a landscape painter. Most of Van de Velde's finest works represent views off the coast of Holland, with Dutch shipping. His best productions are delicate, spirited and finished in handling, and correct in the drawing of the vessels and their rigging. The numerous figures are tellingly introduced, and the artist is successful in his renderings of sea, whether in calm or storm. The ships are portrayed with almost photographic accuracy, and are the most precise guides available to the appearance of 17th-century ships. Substantial collections of Van de Velde's paintings and drawings are held in the National Gallery, National Maritime Museum and the Wallace Collection, all in London, the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam, and the National Gallery of Art in Washington, D.C.